मुख्यमंत्री आणि सरकार म्हणटा एका वटेंतल्यान ज्या लोकांक वॅक्सिनेट जाला म्हणजे कॉलेज सेक्शन हांच्या खातीर पयलीं एक ऑर्डर काडली आनी सांगलें की कॉलेजींनी डिसायड करचें वेदर टू कंडक्ट क्लासेस ऑर एग्जामिनेशन दॅट कॉलेज हॅज टू डिसायड, कारण दे आर 18+ आनी दे आर कॉलेज सेक्शन स्टुडंट्स. पूण आतां सरकाराच्या नजरेक आमी हाडून दिवंक सोदतात की दक्षिण गोंयान काही हायर सेकंडरीनी म्हणजे 12वीच्या भुरग्यांचे एग्जामी ज्यो आसा इंटरनल, ह्या तांकां सांगिल्लें की 23 ऑगस्टा नंतर केन्नाय ऑफलायन जातल्यो आनी अकॉर्डिंगली टायम टेबल भुरग्यांक दिल्लें. आनी ह्या टायम टेबलाचेर धरून भुरग्यांनी आपली सुरवात केली अभ्यास, कारण एग्जाम्स वे सपोज टू बी हेल्ड ऑनलायन. कारण ही जी भुरगीं आसात ही 18 सकल आसा, 18 वर्सां सकल आसात आनी ते कोणूच वॅक्सिनेटेड जाल्ले नात. 3 दीस पयलीं अचानक रोजरीक हायर सेकंडरीन एक डिसिजन जाता की 23 तारखेच्यान तुमचे एग्जाम्यो स्टार्ट आनी एग्जाम्स वील बी हेल्ड ऑफलायन, इन ऑफलायन मोड, म्हणजे इन फिजिकल मोड. नाव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हू हॅज टेकन दिस डिसिजन? कारण आय हॅव स्पोकन टू द डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशन टुडे मॉर्निंग, बाब भूषण सावयकार, आनी ताणें कॅटेगरली सांगला की अशें जर एग्जामी जर घेवंक जाय जाल्यार बोर्डा कडल्यान एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान परमिशनाची गरज आसा, which they have not obtained and nor they have given. And secondly, he has said this is completely wrong. So आम्ही अपील करतात सरकारा कडेन, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन, ही पत्रकार परिशद टिका करपाक ना पूण एक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन, तशेंच बोर्डाच्या डायरेक्टरा कडेन, डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशना कडेन, की हे भुरग्यांचे घराणे आयकून घेयात.
Rosie Higher Secondary, Navali. So, in my opinion, I feel what is done is injustice to us, as many and most of the schools in the town have conducted online examinations. As Sir has already mentioned that we were told 2 weeks ago that the exams will be held online, and we were almost prepared for it. 3-4 days before the actual dates, we are being told that the exams are offline. It's a sudden moment for us, and we tried to talk to the management about it, but we got no response. Yesterday we were given our timetable, and I tried talking to my teachers, sent the messages in the groups, requested, and then I thought of taking this matter to someone elderly who can support the students and speak on our behalf, as our requests were being ignored by the college. This is all what I want to say, is that what the secondary section is doing is injustice, and also most importantly going against the statements of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Please look into the matter. Thank you.
Is it a problem of only Rosary, or it's a problem of other higher secondaries also?
I think there are a couple of higher secondaries. I exactly don't know the name. कोणचे ते आणि एक दोन कडे असे चालला. I will inquire a bit right now and I will inform the director. आणि दोन कडेन चल्ला खंय, which I will find out immediately and I will inform the education director, Mr. Bhushan.
The Goa board had issued a circular, that is circular number 39, dated 2nd of August 2021. So as per that circular regarding the assessment of the 12th standard students, the assessment of students can be done in offline/online mode. So it is a open assessment wherein you could choose between any one of the modes, that is the offline or the online mode. Now at the Principals Governing Council meeting, we had discussed about this, and everybody felt that the online assessment is not a valid system of assessment, because we have had the assessment last year. We have had 2 exams in offline mode, and we had 1 exam, the final exam, in online mode, and we have seen what was the outcome of the online examination. So most of the principals felt that online examination is not a valid system of examination. So that is the reason why many principals felt that we will take our decision since it's an open circular wherein you can have the exam in online or offline mode, and that is the reason why we decided to have the exam in offline mode. Now, regarding the SOPs, we will be following all the SOPs. Now, we have 4 streams here: arts, commerce, science, vocational. So, we are having exams of each stream at a different time. Like for example, the commerce stream we are having at 8:15 to 9:15. And the art stream, the exam is 1 to 2. So there is no mixing up of students, and we are having the exam spread over 2 weeks. Commerce and art student is the following week, and the week after that is science and vocational. So we will be following all the SOPs, and we are going strictly as per the circular given by Goa board, that is circular number 39 dated 2nd August 2021.
Madam, do you require permission from the collector, because now section 144
The circular of the Goa board does not mention that we require the permission of the collector. And I think there are high secondaries which have already finished the exams, and I have checked out with them and no permission. I think last year also we had offline exams, and last year also we did not take permission from the collector. They were tentatively for arts and commerce, it was from 23rd, and for science and vocational it is from 30th August.
So now the same this thing will be followed.
As of now, yes.
थोडे भुरग्यांचो आनी पेरंट्सांचो एका विरोध आसा न्ही, तांचें म्हणणें आहा की ऑफलायन एग्जामिनेशन नाका म्हणून कोविडाक लागून.
पळय, आयज पासून म्हाका कोणेच पेरंट्सान अप्रोच जावना. कोणूच पेरंट म्हजे फुड्यान येवन अप्रोच जावना, बाबा वी आर हॅव्हिंग सम एप्रिहेन्शन अबाउट दिस ऑफलायन एग्जामिनेशन.
कारण 2 दीस पयलीं न्यूजान सुद्धा आयलो, न्यूजान सुद्धा तुमी पळयलां आसतलें की काही स्टुडंट्सांनी हांगा भायर सुद्धा प्रेसाक एड्रेस केल्ले की तांचे हें आसा, विरोध आसा म्हणून.
पळय, ऑफिस टायमिंग इज फ्रॉम 8 to 2:30, and I think it is the responsibility of the parents and the students to approach first the school if you have any apprehension. And I've given, it's only one parent who had called and asked me. I said, don't worry, if you're feeling uncomfortable, even after 2 months, I will give you the exam when you are comfortable with the exam. So whoever has approached me, there were only 2 parents who have approached me. So I said, whenever your child feels comfortable, it may be after 1 month, it may be after 2 months, don't worry, we will give him an exam whenever he feels comfortable. So I think if the parents were apprehensive about this, I think it was their responsibility to contact me.
Now many students must be not prepared for the exam because they were waiting that it will be online. So for offline exam, are there chances to postpone the date beyond 23rd of August?
See, they were prepared. They were told that the exams are starting from 23rd, and they were told that there will be 2 papers a day.
सो एग्जाम मंडेच्यानूच जातली ऑफलायन मोडान,
As of now, I'm strictly going as per the circular.
मीन्स ऑफलायन.
Yes.